Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to explore one of the world's most iconic natural wonders, Niagara Falls. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into 10 fascinating facts that make this breathtaking marvel even more incredible. So, let's not waste any time and jump right in. Did you know that Niagara Falls was formed around 12,000 years ago during the last ice age? The falls were created by the melting of glaciers, which carved out the Niagara River's path. The force of the water over time eroded the soft rock beneath, forming the stunning cliffs we see today. Niagara Falls isn't just one waterfall, it's actually a trio. The falls consist of the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the majestic Horseshoe Falls, which is the largest of them all. The combined flow rate of these falls is staggering, making it a true spectacle. Over the years, the falls have been receding due to erosion. In fact, the Horseshoe Falls recedes at a rate of about 1 to 1.5 feet per year. It might not sound like much, but over centuries, it has led to significant changes in the landscape. Believe it or not, Niagara Falls isn't just a stunning natural landmark, it's also a powerful source of energy. The falls are harnessed for hydroelectric power, generating electricity for both the United States and Canada. It's a prime example of nature and technology working together. Throughout history, Niagara Falls has attracted daredevils seeking fame and fortune. People have attempted daring stunts like walking on tightropes or going over the falls in barrels. While some have survived, many have tragically perished attempting these feats. During harsh winters, the mist from the falls can create stunning ice formations, effectively freezing parts of the falls. These ice sculptures are a sight to behold and have been captured in numerous photographs. Have you ever heard of a moonbow? It's like a rainbow, but it's formed from moonlight rather than sunlight. Niagara Falls is one of the few places on Earth where you can witness this rare phenomenon, usually during full moon nights. Niagara Falls isn't just about the falls themselves, the entire area is geologically active. The Whirlpool Rapids, for instance, are formed due to a sharp change in the river's direction, creating a swirling vortex that's a marvel to see. Niagara Falls draws millions of visitors each year, making it a major hub of tourism. To protect this natural wonder, both the US and Canada have established national parks and conservation efforts to ensure its beauty remains for generations to come. Niagara Falls has been a muse for countless artists, writers, and filmmakers. Its awe-inspiring beauty and power have captured the imagination of many, making appearances in various forms of media over the years. And there you have it, folks, 10 captivating facts that shed light on the wonder that is Niagara Falls. From its geological history to its cultural significance, this natural masterpiece continues to mesmerize us all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty that surrounds us.